Alright, go. Toyoda FA-450II pallet change. These are 18-inch pallets. It's a 120 tool machine, 40 taper. Okay, go ahead. We're gonna run apart. We're gonna have to close the door and do our best to look through the window. Don't know what I'll see, but we'll give it a try. Machine has coolant through, so I'm not going to see a lot here. There we go. Now, I'm seeing reflection more than anything. There's the spindle. Tool change. It's blurry, but we know what it's doing. Drilling. How many RPM we doing?
Jim Becker, 307. That when you can put it out there. There you go, right there.
1500 RPM, cooling through. 15 inches a minute. But you can hear that there's no noises in the axis when it's running.